How to set up parental controls on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to set up parental controls on Google Chrome. So before we set up that, first thing, just open up your Google Chrome browser and just head over to this URL, that is google.com//preferences. So once inside here, so from over here, just make sure you have selected this option, that is save source, and you have enabled this to either on, that is blur or filter. So when you select filter, it helps out filter explicit images, text and links, and when you click on blur, it helps blur explicit images but explicit text and links may show. So once you do all of that, now simply head over to your Chrome web store. So you can just tap on this three dot icon over here and simply click on this extension and simply click on this visit Chrome web store. From over here, you will be taken to this page. Now just tap on this extension button over here and you can simply search in for parental controls. As you can see, I'm searching for that. So whenever you're searching for that, you will get a bunch of extensions which are useful for your parental controls. So you can just tap on any one of these. You can even see some of the new or latest AI powered parental controls. So let's say I want to click on this, and you can simply tap on this add to Chrome button to successfully utilize the feature or this extension, that is AI parental controls. So once you successfully install it, you can just tap on this extension or puzzle icon at the top right corner of your navigation bar and simply open up that particular extension. It might not be the same, but you can easily download such extension and just choose the category which you want to block. And you can also set the password. As you can see, the password must be at least 8 characters long, and it should include a number. So just follow the instruction and just set up the password and click on save and activate. For some extension, you may have to go for a paid version. So there are also a lot of free extension, as I mentioned previously. So you can use any other of these extensions alternatively. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.